Hey guys, welcome to Lokesh Kaushik vlogs. So today is Saturday and we are having a great time today. As you know, it's a fun day and we have a holiday. So मैंने अभी laundry दी है. I sent my clothes for the laundry and then did some shopping or अभी some snack time, but I wanted to do some a quick you can say to a walk in a park and just for fun and relaxation. I'm gonna show you the view in a few seconds. As you can see behind me, it's a nice park and yeah, seems like a fun. Stay tuned to watch more. So this is the lake where ducks swim, but right now, as you can see, they're not here because they are playing outside. Seems nice. Now watch birds landing in slow motion. Hey, it was a nice walk, so it's now time to go back home. Let me show you one more time the whole view of this park. Enjoy.